Looking for a high-quality DIY speaker build? In this video, we'll guide you through every step, from cutting precise speaker grooves to assembling a sealed, high-performance sound system. Let's get started. We begin by cutting the plywood to the desired dimensions. A key trick is to cut halfway through, flip the piece, and continue cutting from the other side. This ensures a cleaner and more accurate cut. To keep the speaker from sitting too far back, we carve a circular groove. Because this is laminated plywood, we can remove layers easily using a wood chisel. For a more refined groove, we use a DIY mini Dremel tool. Painter's tape on the drill bit helps control depth, preventing us from drilling too far. Similarly, placing tape on the file reduces unnecessary scratches. We mix wood glue and sawdust to fill and hide screw holes for a seamless look. The tweeters are slightly oval on the sides, so we wrap them with food wrap film before applying epoxy. This ensures they can be removed easily later. Once the epoxy dries, we remove the tweeters and sand the surface. Wood sealer is applied for protection and a smoother finish before painting. A second layer of sealer ensures an even better surface. We use a combination of wood paint for the bottom panel and black matte spray paint for the rest of the case. Light layers give the best results. Hex screws give the speaker a clean look, while silicone sealer around the edges prevents air leaks. This is crucial for passive radiators to work effectively. To ensure an airtight fit, we use 1mm EVA foam for insulation. When the back panel is screwed in, the entire box is sealed, optimizing sound quality. The two-way crossovers ensure that high frequencies are directed to the tweeters and low frequencies to the woofers. We repurpose a PSU from a previous DIY cyberdeck to set up the correct voltages for the power modules. Finally, we add an analog VU meter module to visually monitor sound levels. After double-checking all connections, we're ready for the first test. And there you have it, a custom-built, high-quality speaker with premium sound performance. If you enjoyed this project, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What would you like to see next? Thanks for watching!